Hey guys, it's me, Free Spirit is. How are y'all doing today? What's up? This is my first solo mukbang video with y'all, and I am so excited. Tonight I have made some prawns, some fried rice, and some collard greens. And I guess I'm just gonna eat and talk. This is my first time doing this, y'all, so I'm a bit nervous and kind of excited at the same time. So bear with me, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Make sure that y'all comment. Let me know how you think I'm doing. This is my first time doing this by myself, because usually I love being with somebody or eating with somebody or talking with somebody. So it's kind of awkward for me for the first time to be doing this by myself. So I'm really excited and I'm a bit nervous. So anyway, with that being said, guys, let me give you guys a close-up pan, and then I will say grace and I'll start eating. And this whole meal I'm gonna eat with my hands because I wanted to eat with my hands. So I've already washed my hands, and so I'm excited and I'm ready to eat. So let me give you guys a close pan, and then I'm gonna say grace and start eating. So here we go. All right, so now I'm gonna say grace. God, I want to thank you. I want to give you glory and honor. I want to bless your holy name. Lord, I pray that you bless the hands that made this food. God, may it nourish us. May it make us feel whole, Lord. I give you glory and honor in the name of Jesus. Amen. All right. So, let's dig in. So, how y'all doing tonight? I'm kind of excited about this because this is the first time I'm doing a video by myself. So I kind of feel like I'm kind of getting to know you guys on a whole nother level. There are a few things I wanted to talk about, and bring up. So I'll just take it one step at a time. But first, I'm going to get into this food. I do have me a beer. Got me my Voodoo Ranger. And I also got some water, y'all. Cheers, y'all. So here we go. I'm gonna start with the rice, y'all. This is really nice. So I did make a video of all the food, everything that is on here, and I'm gonna post it as well. Here go the prawns, y'all. I decided to keep everything on because last time when I made them, I took this long claw off. But this time, I decided to keep the long claw on because I was watching another show and I saw them making the prawns, and I think they use it to make an omelet. And so they left this long part, and they kind of took off the outer shell of the top part and left it, and then sliced the whole prawn in half, and then kind of seasoned it in, I don't know, but then just it ended up in an omelet somehow. I was like, damn, it just looks so amazing. And I'm sure it was super delicious. This is so good, y'all. Mm. I really think I like these prawns because of the heads. These are these are prawns that I bought from the Hong Kong market in Houston. They are so good. I mean, look at the meat. It's so big. So meaty, y'all. Got some of the juice. Look at that. So good. Let me get some of these collards though. I don't know what it is, but I feel like when you eat with your hands, you enjoy the food more. Like, our hands are like the most natural utensil. Automatically. It just knows what to do. But at some point, society thought it was barbaric and decided that eating with your hands was no longer of a civilized nature. And so people who ate with their hands were considered savage. But then you gotta think, who taught them how to start eating with utensils? You know? I've always wondered that. I think I'm gonna do some research on that. Oh, really good. All the stuff in the head mixed with all the ingredients that I used to cook this, it's so good. That's why I need to get a bib. There's no way I can eat seafood and remain clean, y'all. It's hard. Not with all the sauce and the juices. Woo. This stuff is so good, though. I'm gonna land on there. I'm gonna put some of this sauce. That's gonna be a good bite. Ooh. Look at that bite, y'all. That was a good bite. That was a good bite. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Eating with your hands is just like amazing. I think so. Mm. Mm-hmm. Look at this. I'm gonna attempt to eat those later. Yeah. After I'm done with the regular stuff, I'm gonna try and see if I can get one. Get the meat out of one. Mmm. But the head, all that stuff in the head, mix it with the seasoning is so good. Oh my God. I wish I could eat the whole thing. That was good, y'all. So yeah, I did have a few things that I wanted to talk about, guys. And adjust my seat a little bit. So yeah, the things I wanted to talk about. As we all know, we're like going through like a seriously horrific time right now with this pandemic, which is like, excuse me, y'all, making it very hard for a lot of people, making it hard for business and functioning and how we're living our lives and stuff. And so I just feel like in these tough times, we should try to figure out ways to make things work and ways to help one another so that things can work. Like right now, there's this huge push to get everybody vaccinated so that we can get, you know, gain herd immunity, which is great. But it's like they're pushing it so hard and people are neglecting that being vaccinated does not get you out of the woods. Like doesn't set you free of having to worry about COVID, because it doesn't instantly make you immune. What it does is it kind of sets you up so that if you do get sick, you may not have to be hospitalized, you know, but you can still get reinfected even if you are vaccinated. So even the CDC says, yeah, you can not wear a mask if you're fully vaccinated, but they also recommend that you should, because you can still catch something after the fact, especially with the fact that there's a variant, a mutated variant that's out there. So just because you're fully vaccinated doesn't mean you shouldn't still keep taking precautions, wearing your mask, washing your hands, social distancing. You should still keep doing the same thing, vaccinated or not. And other things we can do is like build up our immune systems and try to eat better. Eat more fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C, iron, zinc. You know, try to build up your immunity as well as taking precautions and consistently trying to follow science. And common sense. There's a lot of people out there that feel like their rights are being infringed upon. And I feel like how? The ultimate goal is to protect the public, and that includes everybody. It's not tailored or specific to any particular group. It's just a universal precaution that people should wear masks so that we can protect one another from getting sick. It's not to come against anybody's right to do anything. So I don't know why there's so many people out there that take it so personally, as if it's an attack on their humanity or something. So I just wanted to, you know, I guess say like, we should still be very, very careful because COVID is very real. We shouldn't just rely on, oh, you know, we shouldn't believe that you know, that there's like a button that you can press and everything is gone. Like, we haven't gotten to that level. We're just trying. It's still a battle. It's still a learning curve. It's still a process. So I'm basically saying we shouldn't be relaxed and think that everything has gone back to normal just because we got vaccines out there and stuff. Like, you still need to continue to do what you're doing. And that's what I think. I feel bad when I hear about parents protesting mask wearing in schools, you know, saying that students shouldn't wear masks. I'm like, there are kids out there that are not eligible to take the vaccine. What happens to them? Because they can still get it. It's not like they're immune to it, to COVID. So why would you not want them to protect themselves while they're in school? And how is that infringing upon their right to learn or go to school? I don't understand that argument. I don't know. I just feel like why are people feeling offended and feeling like somebody's coming for them? I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. You guys comment down below and tell me what you think, because I just feel like if something's going to help the greater good, why not help it? If wearing masks is going to reduce the number of COVID deaths, then why not do it? I'm not saying don't do what you need to do and get vaccinated if vaccines are available, but I'm saying, like, why are we fighting for not wearing masks? I don't understand why that's so crucial. Boy. I don't know, I guess this talk kind of made me feel like it's a little bit somber, but it's just something I wanted to get off my chest and talk about a little bit. I'm really enjoying this video, guys. I didn't think I was going to enjoy it this much. I thought it was going to be kind of like really nervous and not being able to eat, but seems like I'm really enjoying eating by myself. This prawns though. Yeah, these prawns are so good. They're like super creamy, and then like the stuff in the head. And then, like, the seasoning that I use like ginger, onions, green onion, bell peppers and stuff. And, like, soy sauce and all that stuff is, like, in the head mixed in with the creaminess. Oh, my God. It's so good. It is so good, y'all. And you know something, y'all? I've been eating seafood a lot lately. And I'm not really a seafood person, y'all. I mean, I enjoy some seafood, but not alright. You know, like if somebody says, ooh, you hungry, what do you want to eat? I'm not going to be like, ooh, let's go get some seafood. No. I have to be in the mood for seafood to want to eat it. So, but lately, I don't know, I just been wanting to eat it, I guess. And these prawns, man. These prawns are really good. Ooh. So what's been up, y'all? I'm over here yapping. And carrying on. That's some good prawn. The seasoning, man. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. The seasoning. All right, I'm gonna try one of these little skinny legs. Ooh, they look like little mini crab legs. Kind of prickly though. Excuse me, y'all. Some meat here. Look at that meat, y'all. Little tiny meat. That was nice. Wow. prawns are really good, y'all. I really enjoyed them. I enjoyed making them. Look at that. It's like a little baby lobster. Look at that. Ooh, goodness inside. It's so good. That's really good, y'all. I really wish there was Taste-O-Vision, because y'all missing out. Y'all missing out big time. Good stuff. Good. Good stuff. Oh, Lord, y'all. Man, I'm having fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And if you guys are, please hit the like button. And for those of you who are new to this channel, there's a red subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button right there. And y'all know my old subscribers, I'm glad to see you guys returning. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. And don't forget to hit the notification button, y'all, so that every time we make videos, you guys will be notified. And please comment down below, because I want to hear from y'all, for real. So, let's keep eating, y'all. I'm about to finish all the prawns. I don't even know how many I had. I forgot. But dang, I ate them all. I think I only have like one left, y'all. Oh no, 2. 1.5. Wow. That was so good, y'all. So good. And I love eating my hands, y'all. So worth it. So worth it. Ooh. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna put some collards, some rice. Oh, God. That's so good. I'm about done, y'all. I'm gonna finish this last prawn. because it's the one and only one left. And I don't want to start a riot. So I'm just going to eat it. Because I don't want any problems in the house. So this is the last prawn, y'all. This head. Y'all don't even understand. Y'all need to go to the market. Get y'all some jumbo prawns. Ginger, onions, pepper, and garlic. Saute it. Ooh, Lord, you'll thank me. You'll thank me. Some soy sauce. You will thank me. Especially if you like spicy food. Here we go. Going down my chin. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my God. This is so good. That was really good, y'all. It's the seasoning. The combination of the seasonings is what really made these prawns like sing. Good combo. Ooh. I don't want this to pop me in my eye. Take some of these seasonings. See that? Well, guys, that was the last prawn. And I am full. And I have to tell y'all, this was really fun. I was so excited and nervous, and now it's just like, wow, so I did it. Yay! First solo video. What? I'm excited. Yes, drink to that. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a blessed week. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, y'all.